Good morning, this is Double O Diggers, and as you can see, I am back at the demolition site that I have been working this week. I've pulled out about 7 silver coins, 5 silver dimes, and 2 silver quarters, and 2 pieces of gold, an earring and a little charm, both with diamonds, and one was 14 karat and one was 18 karat. So it's been a really good demolition lot. I'm back to find that second earring. I've come with my Equinox 800 and my AT Gold, and I'm just going to pound this lot around where I found those 2 pieces of gold to see if there's any more earrings over there or any more jewelry. So wish me luck, and I thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like it if you do like our videos, and we'll keep pumping them out. Thank you. You see them taking a tree down. Power of these backhoes. I don't know if it's called backhoes or bulldozers. These CAT machines just there. Gonna take that big branch out now. You may be wondering why they let me on the site while they're doing this, and why they're not chasing me away. Over time, I developed friendships with some of the crews that do the demolition of these old houses, and I've been fortunate enough to get some special privileges to be allowed to hunt while they're on the property. Obviously, I keep my distance, and if they tell me to move, I move, and obviously try to keep myself safe. I'm going in the backyard, and that tree is in the backyard. Well, I'm going to get back to metal detecting. As fascinating as this is. I'm here looking for some gold and silver. This is where I found the gold earring and gold charm, and this is like a barbecue area where they would sit around. There were 1 chairs over here, and I don't know if they camped out here or laid on the ground or just were here so much that they ended up dropping jewelry. But this is one of the holes. There's 2 holes over here. I think it was, let me see. I think it might have been this hole over here where I found the earrings. But I'm going to grid this whole area, as I think this is an area that they spent a lot of time with, and I'm going to be looking mostly for low tones, trying to find that second gold earring if it's there. As you can see, I am getting a signal here with my Equinox. And it is a Jefferson nickel right on the surface. Who knows, I may have even dropped that when I was over here digging. I've been digging over in that one area for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, looking for that the pair to that earring that I found yesterday. Now, it may not have been dropped. It has to be lost in order to be found, I guess, but we've been hitting it pretty hard. So I took a break from that, and I started combing the yard again, going back through this. Now, I found 7 silver coins in this yard, and I had hit it pretty well, but, you know, there's always a different direction you come at it. You come at it a little bit slower, and sometimes you find a target. Now, I've been digging for about half an hour, picked up some targets, but mostly fast. But now I have a 81 target that jumps to 82 and 83, and that's usually a sign that it could be silver. It's a pretty sweet target. Every now and then it'll jump to 82, and sometimes to 83 and 84. Now it's ringing between 82 and 83, so that's right there, and that's usually a sign that it could be silver. Right there. It's looks like a 1950 silver rosy. So that's the 8th silver coin I found in this yard. Okay, I didn't go 1 foot from my target and found another target ringing 82, 83, 86, going all over the place, but in the 80s. 82, 83 pretty consistently. 2 inches down right there. Huh? And there it is, another silver coin. You can see it's a rosy. Okay, I got here about 9:30, and I've been here for about 2.5 hours, really pounding the area that I found the 2 pieces of gold yesterday, and no luck. I've dug out about 10 bullets and nails and staples and all kinds of stuff, but no more gold. So I have been lucky enough to find 2 pieces of silver, 2 rosy dimes in the backyard, and it was really right between 2 large trees. So there might have been a hammock there at one point, and right in the middle is where both targets were, about 1 foot apart. I've been combing the area for last half an hour, finding a couple of pennies, but nothing really good. Now I've come upon another target that's 83, 84, ringing up on my AT Pro. I'm using all 3 detectors today, but I think it's another silver dime, and I'm going to dig it. Okay, so I was about to walk away from this hole. I was going to cover it up, but then, as you can see, I started getting another signal. It bounces 90, 78, 81, 85, really bouncing around a lot. So there could be several things down there. When I pinpoint it, it's 8 full inches down, 8 full inches. So that's a very deep target. I thought it was silver, when I was starting out, so I'm going to dig a very, very big plug right now and see if we can't see what it is that's making all that noise down there. All right, there's a target there. It's another coin, and it is another Wheatie, a 3 coin spill. Looks like I'm going to say, I'm going to hold off on saying anything. And to me, it looks like 1919, but I don't think that's what it is. See if you can see it any better there. I'm going to have to clean that coin up, but that's the third Wheatie that I found in this hole. And it sounded like silver in the beginning, I think, because it had multiple coins in there. And so I'm going to go over it again. There's still something down there. There's something in there. I'm not sure it's a coin. It's ringing up kind of high, but not a real good sound. All right, it's right in there. I have found another, yeah, it's another Wheatie. That's the fourth Wheatie I found in this hole. So I'm gonna dig around this hole and see if there's anything else down here, because 4 Wheaties in one hole is a good find. It tells me that there could be possibly silver in this area, in this hole. Okay, so I've covered that hole up. I got 4 Wheaties out of that hole, and I'm just wondering how I missed it the last 3 days I was here, because that's how many days I've been pounding this this demo lot. I got here when the house was up, and you can see they've been tearing it down day by day, and they're almost finished. But that's all that was in this hole that I can determine, and I'm going to keep going in this backyard section to see if I find anything else. That was 8 inches down, so I'm going to slow things down, put my sensitivity up all the way, and maybe go into all metal modes. I'm just going to play around with my settings to see if I can find anything a little bit deeper. Sounds like a coin, and it is 6 inches down. Could be something else. I'm feeling like some rocks or some pipes down there. And it was a piece of tubing, copper tubing or something. Okay, I'm doing a wrap up on this demolition lot that I've been searching for about 4 days now. This is the area where I found that earring and that gold charm. And so today I was back trying to comb this area, seeing if I could find the pair of the earring, which I did not find, but along the way I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pennies, of which 7 of them were seven of them were Wheaties, and I found 2 more silver dimes, which brings the silver count on this lot to 9 silver coins. 7 rosies, 2 in the front yard, 5 in the backyard, and 2 silver quarters, none of which I have with me. I only have the silver that I found today with me. So I'm wrapping up this search. It's been a lot of fun. I hope you've enjoyed my search for that second earring. We don't always find what we're looking for, but it's always a lot of fun to look for it. So please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.